In this video, we're going to take a look at the Pixel Technologies PRO600 high gain antenna. This antenna is perfect for home and commercial installations and offers 8.5 dB gain. The antenna works on RG6 coax cable, and you can run up to 125 feet of cable before needing to add the SBA1 inline amplifier. The PRO600 antenna is a single LNA antenna, which means it's a broad beam and simple to install. You don't need an external signal meter to install this antenna. You can simply use the signal meter on the satellite radio receiver. It does have a metal arm, which allows for tilt and pivot of the antenna. So once you mount the antenna on a surface, such as a wall or a pole, you can then tilt and pivot the antenna to lock in signal. The antenna is watertight, so that water doesn't intrude into the antenna, and has a front-end filtration which filters out 4G LTE and Wi-Fi signals for optimal signal reception. Included in the kit is a 3-foot whip cable. This allows you to convert from RG6 coax to SMB to plug into your satellite radio receiver. Includes a weather boot, mounting hardware, and also a pipe clamp and grounding block. The Pixel Technologies PRO600 antenna has been officially approved by SiriusXM. This means that it meets its antenna specifications. Be sure to head on over to SatelliteRadioSuperstore.com to get your antenna today.